So guys, sorry if I just ended the video. Instantly because I need to clean the pathway going up. So now this is the area. Actually this is the flat, but it is small. This is I'm going to dig or tilt, but actually up until there, going there, up until there, here, up down here to the rice field. That's normally where I'm gardening, I'm cleaning and planting corns, beans, something like those. But firstly, the first thing that I'm doing is cleaning this flat area and plant petchay, any beans, any seedlings, any seedlings. I don't know, last year I tilled this area and all this area I gardened this last year and plant beans, many kind of beans family. I think there are 5 or 6 kind of beans, then corn, and then what do you call that? I don't know the English name of it. And then when they are starting to grow, then that's the time when I went to Manila and trained for security guard. Yeah, that's the time there. That's why I don't know if they harvest many beans and corn and other crops that I've planted here. I don't know if they harvested enough. So see, this is sticks. There are sticks here, many sticks. Those are where the beans grow. So guys, I think I'll end the video here and I'll update you later on.